Hey guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today I'd like to share a fun read aloud with you of the story The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. The story The Cool Bean Makes a Splash was written in 2024 by Jory John and is illustrated by Pete Oswald. The story tells this story is about a little bean who feels a little bit nervous. If you've ever felt nervous and you're ready to hear the story, I am too. Let's do it. The cool bean makes a splash. Watch out! Here comes the cool beans. You can see these are the cool beans. They got their cool glasses on. They're ready for a day at the water park. Check out how they dive. Look at how they cannonball. Watch how they backflip. Yow! What a splashy entrance. The cool beans are the best swimmers in town. This bean says, "Ah, yes, this is the life." So, this little garbanzo bean, or chickpea, is watching the cool beans as they arrive, and they dive, and they cannonball, and they backflip, and they're just having fun watching the cool beans. Look at their terrific technique, their perfect posture, their fearless floating. The cool beans are at the center of everything. So it looks like the cool beans are synchronized. That means they all are all doing the same thing at the same time. Their technique is terrific. Their posture is terrific. Their floating is fearless. And they're in the middle of everything, doing their cool bean stuff in the waves. Pretty cool. Meanwhile, I'm out here on my own. I'm treading water by myself, but hey, we're all just doing our best. Plus, there are plenty of things for an ordinary bean to do in the pool. I can still have a grand old time. Yes. But every time I try to act cool, whoops! Oh no! Splash! It never goes well. So he's saying I can still have fun, but anytime I try and be cool, it doesn't go that good. hmm. Suddenly I have a new idea. A big idea. A super idea. Have you seen the super slide? Up there? See? Way up there? You see it? Yes, it's huge. Yup, it's tall. Yeah, it's scary. So, do you see what the little garbanzo beans idea is? This big, huge slide. And is it scary? Yeah, it is. I've never been brave enough to ride on the slide before. Maybe today's my day. After all, how will I ever become a cool bean if I don't take a chance? So he says, I've never done it before, but maybe this is it. Maybe it's today. And how will I ever be a cool bean if I don't do cool stuff? But he still looks a little afraid. So now I have a plan. Yes, I'm going to gracefully glide down the super slide. Watch out. Here I come, marching up the steps. Watch out. Here I am, about to ride the super slide to fame and glory. Watch out. Here I here So he's going up those steps. He's ready to do it. He's at the top of the slide. He's pumping himself up. It's his turn. And there's nothing to watch out for yet. Why are my knees shaking? And why do my arms feel like noodles? And why am I sweating? And why am I wobbly? And why is my stomach filled with butterflies? Oh no. No, 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 no. Look down there. See? Everybody is staring at me. Now he's freaking out. He's sweaty and his knees are shaking and his arms feel like noodles and he's wobbly and he's got butterflies. And it's even more scary. Look at his face. Because all of these people are watching and waiting for him to go. I can't do it. I just can't do it. I don't know what I was thinking. Oh no. What are the cool beans doing? Wait. Why are they coming up here? Wait. Are they going to embarrass me even more? I can't stand it. Ah! So he's decided he can't do this. What was he thinking? This is too much. And then the cool beans start coming up the stairs. And he's worried. Are they coming up here to make fun of me? Are they coming up? What are they doing? Are they going to embarrass me even more? I can't even freaking stand it. I'm freaking out. Do you think the cool beans are going to tease him? Embarrass him? That wouldn't be so cool. Psst. It looks like you could use a hand. It turns out the cool beans just wanted to help me out. Oh, and they asked if I'd like to ride the slide with them. They're waiting for my answer. Cool beans are pretty cool. Psst, looks like you need some help. And now they said, we'll do it with you. And now they're waiting for him to say yes or no. I'm sure. Yes, I would like that. Great. We'll be right behind you. It's not as scary when you go with friends. It'll be over before you know it. So Garbanzo says yes. The cool beans say, they give him some last minute advice. We're going to be right behind you. It's not that scary, especially if you go with friends. And it's going to go by in a flash. It'll be over before you know it. Wee! Whoa! Wow! I did it! I really did it! I really did it! What a thrill! What a rush! What a ride! And I never even cried. Sploosh! So he's not sure if he's enjoying it at first. But then it's over. And he splooshes. And he did it. And he didn't even cry. The super slide was super fun. And I couldn't have done it without my cool friends. It says, high five. Yeah, buddy. They all recognized that I just needed some encouragement and support. So he high fives the cool beans. They're all high fiving. And he says, they're just cool guys. They just knew I just needed some support and encouragement. Someone say you could do it. Sometimes I forget that there are plenty of kind folks who have my back. They're always there when I need them. Yes, indeed. And now it's time to relax with my friends. And they're in the lazy river and he's having a great time. Watch out! Here I come! Yow! But now he considers the cool beans his cool friends. Because it turns out you can be just as cool at the shallow end of the pool. So now they're in the 3 inches shallow water, no diving. But the cool beans are there too, and they're still having fun, even though it's just a little tiny amount of water. The end. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you really enjoyed the story, The Cool Bean Makes a Splash. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button at the bottom of the page. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot to me. If you're not a subscriber yet, please click that subscribe button down there at the bottom of the page. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified when there's new content. I hope that if you ever feel a little scared or nervous, that you have some cool beans to have your back. And if you ever see someone who's feeling a little bit nervous, I hope you are that cool bean. I'll see you all again real soon. Bye-bye.